welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK. Sorry I haven't been on for a while. I've just been really poorly with the ME, but I've got a lovely Easter card for you today, and this is the card we're going to make, and it's using the polka dot embossing folder, A Good Day stamp set, which is available in the spring summer catalogue, and the teeny tiny sentiments. So let's get started. So I've got a card base, just a normal A6 UK size card base in crumb cake, whisper white layer for the inside, which is just 5 millimeters smaller along the top and along the side. So this will measure 10 centimeters by 14.3 centimeters, and I've got the same in Wild Wasabi for a mat on the front, so 10 centimeters by 14.3. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is just put some Tombow glue on the back of our embossed mat, and as I said, it's been embossed with the polka dot embossing folder, which is available in the annual catalogue. I'm just going to grab my bone folder and go from the back. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the rabbit stamp from the A Good Day stamp set, ink it up with some basic black archival ink, and just give it a little stamp on the corner to decorate our inside. A bit more Tombow glue, and then we're going to glue it to the inside of our card. There we go. Hope you're all keeping well. As I said, I've been quite poorly with the ME. I had a cold all over Christmas, which seemed to last forever, and I just got over that, and then I went on holiday with my husband. Right, okay, so now we just want an odd scrap of whisper white, and we're going to stamp our rabbit again. There we go. And then I've got 3 of the Stampin' Right markers. These are the water-based markers, not the alcohol blend pens. I've got crumb cake, Wild Wasabi, and pink pirouette. So I'm just going to colour my rabbit in, and I'm using the brush tip. I'm just going to colour my little rabbit in. Yeah, so I went on holiday with my husband last few days of January and first few of February. We went to Client's Cove in Cornwall, which was absolutely lovely. We had a little cottage right on the beach, and it was wonderful. And I'm just starting now to get back to a reasonably good state of health now, so I thought I'd come on and do a little video for you. So that's our little rabbit coloured in, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the 1-inch punch, which are available in the annual catalogue, and just line it up. Just about fits in. Come on, little rabbit, out you come. There we go. And then we're going to grab some silver foil card, and this is one of the new scallop punches. This is the 1 1/8, and they're available in the new spring summer catalogue. And if you'd like a catalogue, if you just drop me a line at www.facebook.com/Stampin, spelled DUNN, then just drop me a message on there. I'll send you a catalogue. So now we're just going to put some Tombow glue on the back of that one. Feels a bit strange to be doing videos after so long. I'm just going to press it down so I don't make a mess of it. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're just going to put that to one side for a minute. Bring back our piece of Whisper White, and I've got the Happy Easter sentiment from the Teeny Tiny Sentiments. These are really good. They've got so many sentiments in. I'm just going to do it a bit further away because I need to make room. It's not very straight, but it doesn't matter because I have got the, I think it's the Everyday Labels Punch, I think it's called. It's in the annual catalogue. I'm just going to line that up. I think I might do it a bit over to one side because we're going to fantail the end. Now, to make a little fantail on the end, if you just put it back in on that side, then it makes a little fantail, and then we're going to do the same with a piece of the silver foil. I'm going to fantail this, just pop it back in. And there we go, we've got our little fantail. Close that up. I'll move those over to one side. There we go. And just get a bit of Tombow glue. I'm going to put it on the silver so I know how far I want my white bit to go. Line that up on there. Make sure there's no silver showing at the sides. I like Tombow because it gives you a bit of wiggle room. There we go. Right, I'll pop that to one side for a minute. And we're going to bring our card base back and our little rabbits. And then we've got these lovely embroidery hoops available in the spring summer catalogue. They're on the same page as the Teeny Tiny not Teeny Tiny Sentiments, the A Good Day stamp set. They're on there, and they're really lovely. That you get 8 in a packet, and they actually come, I've opened this packet up already, they come like this. So you get 4 large hoops and 4 of the smaller hoops in a packet. And they're available in the spring summer catalogue. And if you spend £45 from either catalogue or both catalogues and the clearance rack at the moment, you get to choose a free gift from the Celebrations catalogue, and they've just released 3 more items. Oh, hang on, I don't want to do that just yet. I want some of this gorgeous twine, which is also in the spring summer catalogue. Just use my snips to cut a piece off, and we're going to wrap it round a couple of times. Let's go underneath that screw and tie a bow. I can never tie bows on camera, and this twine I find isn't exactly the easiest, especially when my fingers aren't as good what they are sometimes. Oh, just trying to get that bit through. Oh, what is it? On camera, you can never tie a bow. Go. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to trim that end off. There we go. Just get rid of that. And then I'm going to turn that over, and I'm going to use some of the fine tip glue pen and put some dots round on this hoop. Remember, you need to put your lid back on. It's got a little pin in the lid that goes down into the nozzle to stop the glue clogging up the nozzle. So I'm just going to place my little hoop onto my card. Just hold it for a couple of seconds to let the glue grab. Get my Tombow, put it back on the rabbit, back my little rabbit, and pop him in the middle. I'm just going to use my bone folder just to help adhere him down onto the card base, because where it's embossed, you've got an uneven surface for it to grab onto. So now I'm going to take my Happy Easter sentiment and some of the mini dimensionals, and take 3 of the mini dimensionals and just pop those onto the back. Take the backs off. Take the backs off all of them. I'm just going to place it onto the card, and there we have our finished card. And if you like any of the products that you've seen today, they are available from my online shop, which is www.donestampin.stampinup.net, and you just hit the shop now, or you can also do it from my Facebook page. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like what you've seen, hit the like button, and I'd really appreciate some subscribers, because once I get up to 500, I've got some items from the Celebrations catalogue and one from the new Spring and Summer catalogue that I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to be giving a prize away when I hit 500 subscribers, and another one when I hit 1,000, and also when I hit 500 likes on my Facebook page, I'll be giving a prize away. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Bye.